Hello people and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing extremely fine and you're safe and staying indoors. So today's video is going to be very relevant in current times and of course going to give you a lot of insights of do's and don'ts of an online interview as the topic suggests. So without any further ado, let's begin. Please watch the video till the end. Do like, comment, share, subscribe and let me know what other do's and don'ts you think are of an online interview in the comment section below. So with the affordability and also the increasing quality and reliability of the video conferencing softwares like Zoom, FaceTime, Skype, Google Meet and others, plus the efficient hardware such as webcams, headphones or even microphones. So this has made video interviews, or as you call them, online interviews, a very common method of assessing candidates. So it's going to help you in your near future, or is currently helping you right. The video can help you right now as well. So here are my do's and don'ts list for you. Okay, so the first one on my do's and don't list would be, you always have to prepare for your interview beforehand. You have to practice the whole interview. We all know some common questions that are asked in the interview. You should actually sit in the front of a camera, like on your laptop or your phone, in which you are going to give the interview, and actually rehearse the interview. It will give you a better clarification and a better presentation when you actually ask the questions, because you have already prepared them beforehand. So number 2 on my do's and don't list is test run of all your devices that you are going to need in your interview. So you should always highly recommend it to be wearing a earphone, a headset, and you have to check if that's working properly. Then your web camera and of course your internet connection, because that's going to be the key when you're giving an online interview. Also, please charge your devices beforehand and know how to use all the softwares that are going to be needed in an interview. It will help you a lot. So number 3, it would be taking your setting into the account. The setting should be minimalistic. No more things in the background should be seen. It should be very neutral, very normal, and you should always try and check if the lighting is properly, if your face is clearly visible or not, and you have to always make sure that you're sitting on a smaller chair. The back flip should not be very high, so it actually tenders your face and it does not give a proper view when you're speaking and when you're talking. So you should always declutter your space and you should minimize distractions as much as possible, so you can concentrate properly while giving an interview. Okay, so number 4 on the list would be dressing properly. Even while you're giving interviews from your home, dressing would be appropriate. For girls, I would suggest Indian wear or a formal wear, as I'm wearing a white shirt right now, would be perfect, but this jewelry should be little avoided, maybe I can say that. And for boys, obviously formal shirts, and you should always avoid bright colors while giving an interview, because it might irritate the interviewer. So you should always go for neutral or light colors like white, gray and stuff like that. White is the most preferable color, by the way, while giving an interview. Number 5 and very important is to be punctual, is to be on time. And if I try and suggest you something, I would suggest you to actually be on the interview, be on the call on your setting 5 to 10 minutes before. And if you are actually on an overseas call, please check the time zones properly and please set your watch accordingly and be punctual. It is something that will please your interviewer for sure. Would be your body language. So let's talk about hand gestures, because when you're in the front of a camera, only this much of your body can be seen, and therefore hand gestures become very important. Try to use your hands while speaking, but don't use them overly, because then the interviewer will tend to only focus on your hands and might miss what you're speaking. And while speaking, try to speak very slowly and try to speak clearly. The word should come out of your mouth very clearly, and you're not supposed to be googling while you're speaking, because then the interviewer will somehow know if you're not directly looking at the camera. So you always have to prioritize your camera, so that interviewer can see that how confident you are while you're giving your answers. And also try to make an eye contact with the interviewer time and time again, not every time, not like staring and gazing, but try to make an eye contact so that he or she can feel that you're confident while talking. in real life or in the interview in front of a camera, it's always necessary to make great first impression. So you have to listen to what your interviewer is saying, you have to nod, you have to smile, and you have to listen and not try and interrupt more often, because that would definitely create a bad impression. You can keep your notes or any material that you need while answering the question handy in front of you, but when you're looking or scrolling through that material, don't make it look like you're actually doing something. Do it very swiftly. If in case you ever need that, I would suggest to not do that, and to be prepared, and to be practiced in advance. Next thing that I would suggest is to stick to the question. Don't try to wander off, because when you try to wander off, the interviewer will somehow know that you don't know the answer to the question, or you're unsure about it, or you're not confident about it, and it will definitely leave a bad impression in your interview. And also try to show some creativity while you're answering, and when you're answering, always keep a smile or a nod or something on your face that shows that you're not very stiff, or you're relaxed while giving an interview, which is very important. Okay, so another thing is, try to keep the interview little casual, but not too casual. So for keeping it casual, you can maybe start by saying about yourself, asking about them, how they're doing, what the job entails, or whatever questions that you want to know about the company also, you can ask them. So it will create a little casual vibe in the interview, but you have to be attentive of what they say and what they speak, and also of what you speak, because that can lead to crossing boundaries sometimes, which interviewer might not want. In between the questions or after the questions, making a conversation is very important. And be yourself. Don't try to be some other person, or don't try to pretend. Don't try to change your accent. Don't try to change your personality, because that would create a bad impression and might harm you in future as well. Next would be noting down all the basic questions that you need to ask or you need to confirm, and you can also note down your basic or brush on your basics before the interview, the basic questions that can be asked, so that you are prepared in advance for all the things. Another important thing would be researching about the company, job profile, job description, and everything. So don't forget to put your other devices on silent mode, and try that no one enters your room or no sound enters your room, and you're sitting in a very quiet space during your interview. That actually helps a lot. In the end, try and share your appreciation about the interview, and do follow up with the company in the form of phone calls if that allowed, or emails is the formal way of communication in most of the companies. So please do that. That will actually help you get to the end of the process very easily. Hello guys, thank you for watching to the end. I hope the video was useful for all of you, and if I was missing out on something, please do share with me in the comment section below, and let me know how did you ace your interview with my tips. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.